Hello everyone, let's write some code today. Today's problem is longest palindrome by concatenating two-letter words. You are given an array of strings words, and each element of words consists of two lowercase English letters. And you can select and concatenate these elements in any order, but each element can be selected at most once. This problem wants you to create the longest possible palindrome, and palindrome is a string that reads the same forward and backward. You want to return the length of the longest palindrome that you can create, and there is no any palindrome in example, then return 0. Okay, first example, you are given 3 elements, LC and CL and GG. And you can concatenate like this, LC first and GG. And then you can put CL, the last one. Then you can make a palindrome like this. And second example, you can choose TY, YT, LC, and CL. You can't choose AB and again AB. It's not a palindrome. So you can concatenate like this and make palindrome again. In the third example, you can select only one element because each element can be a palindrome itself, like this. But if palindrome looks like this one, center and wing, and it's same, vice versa, if you can select CC and left wing is LL, then right wing would be LL, but there's no another LL, so in this case, example 3, you can only one word. Okay, this is a Python solution. Let me explain how we can make this code. If we have words array AA, GG, CC, LC, CL, CL, then we can use counter. Then we can like key value HashMap, and the value is the count of the element. So we have 2 AAs and 1 GG and 1 CC and 1 LC and 2 CL, like this. Let's look at this word AA. It has same character, left side and right side. So we can use it left wing or right wing of a palindrome. And it has count 2 in this list. So we can add the count number to the result, like this. And the next one, GG, it has also same character, left side and right side, but it's only one word, so it can be in the center, like this, GG. But how about CC? It can be located in the center because GG is on here. If CC is in left side, then another CC is needed, but we don't have any CC anymore. So we can't locate CC in the palindrome. So we set old flag. We can initialize at first false. If we use the first old and the same characters word like GG, then we set it to true and we add the result, the count of the number. But like this CC, we have the even number. So in this case, we add -1 value. Let's move to the LC. It has different characters, left side and right side. So we need another reverse word like CL. So we check like this reverse word in the counter HashMap. But if we have another count values, then we can build it less count of these. So in this case, LC is 1, CL is 2, so we can make 1 left wing and 1 right wing like this. We add minimum number of the counts. Okay, we finished it and we calculate it and add up the count we can make, and it has 2 English letters in each word, so we multiply 2 like this way. This solution's time complexity is big O of n because it takes n time and it takes up to n time. So in this case, O of n, and space complexity is also O of n because we have one hash map like this and it's up to n, so space complexity is also O of n. Okay, thank you. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you soon. Bye.